Hello, I'm going to show you how I make some tiny seed bead flowers, and today I'm going to show you how I make daisies. So I've got some seed beads, white, green, yellow. I've got some white elastic 0.6 millimeters, a clip to stop the beads falling off, a beading needle, and just some cutters for the elastic. So I'm just going to show you how to make the flowers. So I'm just going to cut approximately 12 inches. I'll pop the clip on the end and then thread the needle. These just open up like this. You thread them through. So if I was making, say, a bracelet or earrings, I'm just going to put 4 beads on. So we just thread those 4 beads on. Just leave them down there. Now what I'm going to do is take 4 white beads, and then we're going to take a yellow bead, and this yellow bead is going to be our center. So we thread that on. So I've got something like this at the moment. And then what you do is you need to go back through your very first bead, the white bead that you put on. Just go back through. Pull together. And that's what you have. So I'm just going to push that down with the others. We are going to go back through this one here. So there's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 beads we put on, followed by the yellow, but we're going to go back through this one, the 4th bead. I hope you can see. And then pull. And if I just put the green ones up to it, can you see? Just using my beads. You can just adjust to the shape. But there you've created a daisy shape. So let's just thread another 4 beads. So we thread 4 beads, and I'm going to do another daisy. So we thread 4. Followed by the yellow. Put that on. So push that down with the other beads. So again, we're going to go back through this bead here, the very first bead. And I'm just going to push it down to join the others. And that's what we're left with. So I'm going to thread another 4 beads. So there's our 4 beads, put those on. And then again, we are going to go in back up to the 4th bead, the one before the yellow. We're going to go in there. And pull. Again, pull it down to reach the other. There we have another flower. Just going to do another one. Daisies are my favourite flowers. Obviously you can use any colours you want. You don't have to do daisies. You can make up a flower. So we'll just put those 4 on, join those. Take 4. There's our beads. We're going to go back through the 4th bead. Pull. Just move it down with the others. Take another 4 beads. There we go. So we're going to go back to this again, the very last bead, 1, 2, 3, 4, before the yellow, and then back through, and then pull up. Just adjust. And there we have some daisies. Just take this out. Those are daisy flowers. Imagine you were making a bracelet or something. Very delicate, but very pretty. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.